Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to speed up a video in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here in the CapCut app we have to have a project that we already started. So let's just open this project. And here, after it opens up, this is the timeline where the clips and the images that we selected are. Here we just tap on the clip that we want to edit, and here in the bottom bar we tap on speed. Now we can select to edit to speed up the video in a normal way, or to add a curve to it, but we are just going to look at the normal way. And here, if you move this little dot to the right, then the video is going to be sped up to X amount. So, and then after that, you just tap on OK, and the video is saved. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.